Xin chào, Ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today I will make sugar cookie pancake. When we go a grocery store, my son asked if I can make for him, and he said looks so good. So let's see, in the box seems like easy, just mix in the bowl, and they have the icing on top. So they said we will need 1 2/3 cups water, but I will use milk. I think you with milk taste maybe better. Look, I haven't. The first time I cooked with the glass pan, hopefully. I think really cool. So in the batter already have wrinkle. Now we use 1 2/3 cup water of milk. See. But if you or kiddo cannot have a milk, you can use water. You go in the box, set water. But I think you milk maybe taste better. And next time I will use heavy cream milk. And you just mix well. And then you just cook. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes both sides. So. And then this one wrinkle on top of pancake when you're done. Let me put this one out. This is how you can put in the cup now. Right here. You bring this one up. If your skillet a little big, you can make more pancake in here, like 3, 4. But if your skillet small, you can make one time 1 pancake. So today, my kids hungry. Maybe I make 3 in 1 pan. They cannot wait. This one, 1/3 cup. In the box, they said you can use one fourth cup for each pancake, but let's see. Wait for this one hot a little bit. 18. We make 3 pancake 1 time. I don't know if you happen to cook with a glass skillet, but this is the first time I cook with glass skillet. Look really cool, but hopefully I correct this temperature, not get burns. So maybe next time I will try the pancake with, you can put some blueberry, chocolate chip. That's all good. And I will try to make this pancake become waffle. Maybe try waffle pancake. Let's see, on the bubble ups, maybe or more have to turn another side. My kid. My kid, they smell the pancakes, so they're happy. Every day they said, "Mommy, when you make the pancake?" I said, "Mommy, we'll make the pancake." Today he wakes up, the first thing he asked me, "Mommy, you make the pancake yet?" He cannot wait. Smell it. Smell amazing. I cannot wait. I am hungry. I think they cook a little bit still. Icing already made. I think this box they give the icing not enough for whole box of pancake. Look, it's just not so much. Maybe you have to make the icing on your own. Oh, you know what? Maybe you can use the whipping cream. You can put on top of it. If we ran out of icing, we can get just a small bag of icing. This one cook a little bit more. Oh, it smells really good. Look. So you can smell the sugar cookie. Beautiful. Beauty, beauty. Look, guys. We'll cook about 1 more minute so we can taste. Can't wait. The first time, so. If you love butter, just add butter when the pancake too hot. Add on top of it, then add icing on top. Turn up and show you the first pancake. Look, and now let me move this one to the glass. I know what. Okay, let me just some icing on top. Look, the icing just a little. Maybe not enough for whole box. So if your kiddo love, I think you maybe make extra or buy one container at store. They have one too. They already make it too. So you don't need to waste your time if your children too hungry. Because smell really good. You know what my son asked, Mommy, can you make this one like become birthday cake? The taste. He looked at it, he says, so good. Milk already out. Okay. Turn out like this. So please like my channel and subscribe to see all my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.